Hi, I'm Shawna Coronado. Welcome to Easy as 1, 2, 3 Gardening Tips. Today we're going to talk about bolting. It happens in every garden. You have these beautiful herbs like this oregano here, and it develops a flower on the top. Bolting is when your plant sets flower. Your leafy vegetable, your herb like this oregano, or maybe your dill. And when the plants set flower, what happens is they're developing their seeds. All the production goes into seed production, and then you lose the leaf. You don't get as much leaf. We want more leaf. And to get that, what you need to do is go in and trim the plant down. Wow, this smells delicious. And this is the Simply Herb Dill. Wonderful. Now you can use this in a flower arrangement, or you can toss it away and put it in your compost pile. When you cut off all these extra flowers, it enables more leaf to grow. Now another way to prevent bolting is to mulch your plants. You want to keep the roots cool. So those are my 2 favorite tips for preventing the bolting process. Ultimately, all your plants are going to want to bolt. If you want to let them bolt, what happens is they can become pollinating plants. And right here we have a lovely oregano. You can see this adorable little pink flower. It can look quite beautiful in the garden, and it also attracts bees. So your herb garden can be good to eat, and it can be good for the pollinators. Thanks for joining me for Easy as 1, 2, 3 Gardening Tips. Come back next time for more fun ideas.